Hey there, today we're going to look at how to open saving account in Lloyds Bank. So let's get started. First open lloydsbank.com over here. Scroll down until you find the section for savings. After that, click on savings or use the search bar to type savings and choose savings account. Then it will show you the savings account page. Click on learn more. Scroll down to see the list of savings accounts. Over here, you can check details like the minimum deposit, withdrawals, and interest rate. Choose the account that suits you best and click on apply now. After that, answer the questions shown on the screen. Then click on the plus sign to read more about any question if needed and scroll down to click on apply now. If you're new to Lloyds Bank, click on apply now. If you're already a customer, click on register and apply. Then fill in your personal details like your title, full name, and address. After filling all the information, including contact details and marketing choices, click on Continue. Then it will take you to the next step where you need to fill in more information and enter the bank account you'll use to deposit your money. Once everything is completed, your Lloyd's savings account will be opened. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.